hospital in Area 14 examined the body of Flicker, whose body was discovered in an abandoned science camp. The doctors found that the internal organs of torches are very different to our own.
They are circuits containing batteries, wires switching the bulb. The batteries contain power which travels on the wires to the bulb, which will light up when you switch it on.
Anatomy of a torch.
The batteries provide power to light the bulb. When a bulb is in a circuit, it lights up.
The shiny bit reflects the light and focuses it.
The conductors let electricity go from the batteries to the bulb.
The case is for holding the whole circuit together and insulates the torch so you don't get electrocuted. The switches connects and disconnects the wires.
The bulb might blow up, so they put a glass circle to be safe.
No torches were harmed in the making of this documentary. Well, maybe just a few.